of justice is sluggish, but it will come when it will come. More than 15 months, 16 months, this matter has been laid to rest by the highest court of the land. The only thing that can happen now is for anybody to appeal to God. If there's an opportunity for you to appeal to God. Supreme Court has made it very clear that you cannot have a democracy without a legislature. The Supreme Court has very clear, cannot say that the government without the legislature. It is unheard of where anybody will say 3 people will constitute an assembly to make law for the entire state. It's unheard of. It has nothing to do with an individual, whether you like this person's face or not. But it is what is important that can 3 people make law for a state? Not to talk about appropriation. The Federal High Court said, you can't do this. You cannot do it, and therefore set aside everything they've done. 3 people who screen commissioners, 3 people, all kinds of things. A governor will go and bring down the House of Legislature and will do as if nothing will happen. You want an appeal. Come and appeal that this is wrong. We can't continue with this. Petitions were written against the justices, Federal High Court. What the shop gave the judgment. Everybody gave judgment. Look, having not have any appropriation, you cannot expend money. Petition. And that's what we see in this country. When you say something, people will begin to carry blackmail and will fall trap to that. So for me, it is happiness for Rivers. It's happiness for Nigerians that yes, that this impunity must stop. Enough is enough. We can continue with this. You are aware when the issue of local government came up, a governor elected who has taken oath to abide by the Constitution came out to say that is a corrupt judgment, castigating the judiciary. Oh, thank God, today the Appellate Court has said it all. Go back. You have no budget. Central Bank, Accountant General, you cannot continue to release money when there's no government. Until you present your budget to the appropriate assembly, which is the 27 members, no money should be released. You refuse to follow the Electoral Act in terms of conducting local government election. What was the issue? INEC don't release voter register if you don't comply with the court order. You said no, you will not obey. And I just are clapping. People like Atiku are telling him that yes, you don't work. I hope they will also hear him today. I hope the chairman of government, PDP government forum, will also hear him today. Because if you don't, if Supreme Court has come out to say enough is enough, we must not truncate our democracy. If you allow this, one day, one member will constitute an assembly. And that's all you can do. One member. You can imagine 3 people. One said is speaker. So two people are that was. I mean, it's so hard of. So what I want to do with them, we must commend the judiciary for being bold, for being fair, to say no, this should not be allowed. This impunity must not be allowed. I've told people that Rivers State is not like any other state. We are not prisoners of war. We are not conquered. we must challenge anything we know that's illegal. We will not allow it. Anything is not, you can do that in Nigeria State. But as far as the state is concerned, we will not, it doesn't matter what time it takes us. Yes. Look at how they, since their salaries, a lot of family is down. Because they are carrying out their function. So for us, not just happy, we're happy that the right thing has been done. All we have, nobody should go into violence, no fighting, allow the law to take its, I know.